Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you exactly how to build your own business on Whop. No coding, no headache. We are going to create a Whop community for my music fans called Soundwave Society. A place where I can reward my loyal fans, run giveaways and even host fun competitions. Let me show you how to set this up from zero. To create a new community, click Create New Dashboard, click Create and name it. Type in your community name. Click Continue. Also type here. Now upload a simple music related logo. Headphone, Soundwave, or just create it on the go on ChatGPT. Add a description. Official community for my music fans. Then click Save. So, why Whop? Think of it like Discord but built for creators. It has integrated payment processing and an app store full of monetizable tools made by developers. No coding needed, no sending your fans somewhere else, and best of all, you keep 100% of your subscription revenue when you white label the apps. Let me add some powerful apps that will turn Soundwave Society into a money-making machine, starting with Content Rewards. Content Rewards is a game changer. It lets you automatically reward fans for engaging with your music and brand. I'm setting up rewards like listen my new track 5 times and get free digital poster, share it on social media, get early access to my merch. This keeps fans active and connected, and it builds real loyalty without me having to chase anyone down. Next up is the Giveaways app. Running giveaways is one of the easiest ways to keep your community buzzing. You can give away concert tickets, exclusive merch, or even shoutouts. With Whop, giveaways are built right into your community. No external links, no hassle, just pure engagement and excitement. Let me add the app. Finally, let me show you Dino Game. A simple but powerful pay-to-play game that lets you host competitions inside your community. Fans pay an entry fee, compete in the game, and you take a cut from the prize pool. It's a fun way to add some excitement and generate revenue without selling anything physical. So, here it is, Soundwave Society, fully loaded with content rewards, giveaways and Dino Game. No coding, no external tools, just one place where fans stay engaged, get rewarded and make money. Whop makes it easy for creators like us to build real businesses, not just sell content, but create full ecosystems of community, software and monetization. If you want to build your own community and business like this, check out Whop's App Store, link below, and start your journey today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications for more tips turning your creativity into cash. See you next time.